Indirect cove lighting details are found in most of today's commercial projects. Axiom one-piece indirect light coves have led the way as a one-piece, plug-and-play modular solution that saves time, material, and labor, while delivering the aesthetics that you expect. To build on Axiom's cove lighting successes, Armstrong is now introducing Axiom Indirect Light Ledges. Simply integrate light ledges into your project as an engineered, plug-and-play, indirect lighting solution. It's as easy as lifting up a 10-foot piece of Axiom light ledges and positively screwing it to a wall or soffit framing. This piece of light ledge has the classic vertical profile along its leading edge. The underside of light ledges is built to receive 5/8" drywall with an integrated transitional mud flange along its leading edge. Simply cut your drywall to size and raise it up into the cove's cavity. All attachment is by screwing into the aluminum extrusion. Now, all those screws from the drywall are now sticking up through the extrusion. You will need to knock off the tips so your pre-engineered light fixture will perfectly nest inside the extrusion. If you need to wrap corners with your light ledge, no problem at all. We have inside and outside corner profiles for both classic and knife edge. This installation will incorporate corners and the knife edge profile to a wall and drywall grid frame soffit. Make sure the bottom of your cove extrusion is flush with the bottom of your soffit. You may want to pre-drill holes for easier attachment to wall studs and have your Axiom splice plate installed and ready for your next straight section of cove. You can see that we pre-measured and cut this new section with the next return corner pre-installed for fast and easy installation. After all your screws are into the framing 16 inches on center, return to your splice location and firm it up to ensure it's properly aligned. Axiom light ledges ship in standard 10-foot lengths. Our sizes here were only reduced for shooting this video. If you're building soffits out of traditional stud framing, consider using drywall grid to double your production and eliminate unnecessary stud framing to structure. Your splice plates occur at all edge ends with 2 Allen nuts per side. An indirect light ledge wall and soffit doesn't get any easier to install or better looking than this example right here. As with the classic light ledge profile, the knife edge profile receives 5/8" drywall that flushes out with the leading knife edge of the ledge's profile. Pre-engineered lighting key notches built into the ledge's extrusion perfectly integrate with our lighting partners. These built-in key notches determine the throw of lighting towards a wall or out into a room towards a ceiling. Check out our partners' websites: Axis Cove Perfect Lighting, Vode Zipwave Lighting, Light Control Cove 17L, and i2 Systems Compose Lighting for superior lighting predictability and performance combined with light ledge fit and finish.